Hi everyone, Jean Lurson here. First, I'd like to wish you all a very happy new year, and I hope you have a very successful painting year in 2019. I thought for my first video of the year I would do a quick wet in wet demonstration of a landscape. So let me get started. I'm going to take my spray bottle that sprays droplets on the paper, and I'm only going to use 3 colors, and I'm keeping it almost monotone, so I'm using burnt sienna, neutral tint and raw sienna. And let's see, let me start off with the raw sienna, doing it very light sky, bring it down here. And then I'm going to take some burnt sienna mixed with neutral tint. It gives a very nice, rich brown color. I had to quickly tape down my paper there. It was starting to buckle, and I'm mixing on the paper as well with the burnt sienna, and I want to soften some edges, and my paper's already starting to dry out. And I want to keep some really soft edges and one or two hard edges. So let's see, kind of like maybe just a little dark in a couple of spots. This is where you can really spoil your painting by working it too much. I kind of just like the way some of the color goes into each other, and I leave some white spots on the paper. And there's a hair there, but I'll wait till it's dry before I remove it. And I want to just do some height here and here. Now, the sky is a little bit boring, so I'm going to put some of the dark in there as well. I didn't want that to happen. Let's see, so bring some of this down. Now I think I'd better let it dry just to see what else it needs. Now that it's almost dry, I can put in a few details, although I don't want it to be too detailed because I want it to be more wet in wet and more leaning towards the abstract. So I'm just going to add in a few branches to trees and maybe here also. And you see it's dried much lighter, so I'm going to go back in with the burnt sienna and neutral tint, and I want to keep this soft again, so let's see, I'm going to add a little bit of this color into the sky again, because that's got a little boring, and just soften these. I really just wanted to keep it soft, and maybe it just needs a little bit more color here, so I'll just let that flow. And I'm really not going to do much else to it, except maybe I did this just a little too light, and I'm going to there, maybe add some more yellow back in here. Yeah, so basically there's my quick wet in wet landscape, and it's what I do when I am getting ready to do a larger painting and I want to test colors and see how they go together. It's just do a very quick basic landscape, and that gives me a really good idea of the colors that I want to use. So I hope you enjoyed this little demonstration, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.